Hello and welcome. Today, me, X Emrad from CryptoINK LLC and the TKP platform will be showing you an easy way if you're using, let's say, like WordPress for your blogging website, how to do automatization about creating and posting your blogs on your blog website in easy few steps. I will try to make it short as possible and to explain you the way you can do it and the things you will need for it. As also under the video you will see exactly the parts you need for doing this. It's very simple also to set up. Let's go. First of all, as you can see right here, this is the TKP platform where we also have some AI tools as solution for the crypto space, as also for usual everyday user. But that's on the next video. Just want to show you the CryptoINK is the part of the TKP project where we are already have produced and set a color book of it on the Amazon website marketplace, and there will be coming even more. As a subscription user we will be able to get access to the comics of it, and next year we are going to pay for the CryptoINK copyright in all ways, because we are also in development of the game of the CryptoINK. And behind me you can maybe also see a sample of how the CryptoINK will be able to look like. But let's get back to this part what we are working on. So as you can see on our website, we have also the blog page side. Alright, and we have two categories. We have the free blogs and the VIP access blogs. The VIP access blogs is for the people that are subscribed, because we are doing detailed analytics about new projects and already projects on the market, so people have better understanding about the projects and more details about the structure of those projects we are presenting on our platform. And there's also it's something like I always like to say, a time saver. Because of that we are the TKP timekeeper, right? So you will be able to save time. Just be a subscriber here on our website and you will get details. Every week we are presenting two projects to our subscribers, but in this part, like I said, we are doing this part as an educational part, and it's also for free. So as you can see, the free blogs page, you have blogs here to read. That's the latest one, I think. Yes. Alright, so you have the subtitle, the titles, also the writing. It depends on the WordPress how you set it, right? Also the images can be changed. We are still working on it, but in this part it's important how you automatize those blogging. All you need in first place for creating automatic blogs is ChatGPT. Best choice is if you have the paid model ones. Then you can use Make platform, showing you that right here. So, and I will be getting to you how to create the automatic scenario for it. And you have to need a Google account and to be able to create a Google Sheet in this form. So those three things you will be needing to be able to post automatic blogs on your website. In the first case you will need ChatGPT to create your themes, as also the needed stuff for the blogging. But in this case, for the Google Sheet, what you need is like a theme topic of a blog. Then you will be able to, you need to create a status like this here. I will be showing you that in a few seconds. Then you will be needing keywords and also create the row. In this case we are posting every day one blog article, and I will do it right now for the next let's say 15 days or for the next month, only to post about TKP and CryptoINK. And in this case, alright, we going to ChatGPT and write him. Also to mention, because I have this paid version, and as you know, the newest stuff with GPT is he can remember on your writings before what you have done, so he knows already almost everything about TKP and Chrononite. So in this case I will write him, write me for my Google Sheet 30 different themes in a form of a list from 1 to 30 about Bitcoin, about blockchain, and overall the crypto space, as also the integrations. So in this case we're gonna do this, as also the integrations of blockchain into the industries, and few themes about XRP and its integrations, right? And then we send this right back. So now you see he is creating the list from 1 to 30. Alright, awesome, great, good. Then we will copy this part. Alright, just copy it. Then you switch back to your Google Sheet, and we will take here a new name. Just a second. Come on. Alright. Blog, or we do crypto blog, like this. Alright. Then we will choose this one and delete it, and we will paste the new ones we have, right? Okay. So also to make sure the status here, always when the automatic blog is created and posted, it will on the end send the information to your Google Sheet that is that the blog was created, and it will stay created for the blog. Alright, now we need the keywords. Getting back to ChatGPT and saying them, write me now for each of those 3 to 4 keywords in the same list form. Right, let's send it back. Alright, then you will see this list creating too. As we can see, we will check that if it matches our theme and topics. So you're gonna copy those keywords, going back to CryptoBlog, and again use this one here to select all, delete them, click again here up and paste the new keywords. And as we can see under 29, XRP as a solution for real-time payments in retail, and then you have the keywords XRP retail payments real-time, right? So that's great. The row you can create here as it is from 129 we have here. All right, so after this is created, it is automatically also saved. Now we are moving back to the most important part, to the make platform, and I will show you this. All you need for this scenario is this here. So your Google Sheets connected to OpenAI ChatGPT twice, one time from ChatGPT, second time to ChatGPT, then to your WordPress platform, and after that to Google Sheets again. Alright, so in the Google Sheets you will make your connection with your Google account and the Google Sheets, and as you can see, the search method select from all. Alright, then the ID finder, we will write here, what is it, crypto blog, and okay, and as you can see, he found it and he put it a spreadsheet ID also inside here. The sheet name, sheet 1, table containers, yes, column range A to D, Z, and as you see, the filter status is B. Text, also make sure text operators equal to nothing, right? So he will choose from the Google Sheets the blog to create where the status is 0, which means nothing in there. And then you have the order by the row number, file type is number, sort order is ascending, formatted value, formatted string, limit 1. Okay, and then you have set it up for the Google Sheets. After that you will connect to the OpenAI GPT model, also connect it through your connection, your own API key. Then you have to select the method create a prompt completion legacy. In this case I will use the GPT 3.5 Turbo Instruct because I need him to generate a blog post title based on the theme, where you select the theme under the section of the Google Sheets. As you can see under A, there will be showing up our first theme or topic we have in the Google Sheets, from which he will take that and create a blog post title based on the theme, right? And max tokens you can set to 400. It's not needed anymore because it's just creating the title for the blog post. After which he created a blog post, he goes again to ChatGPT connected. Also choose your same connection to Google to ChatGPT, sorry. And then you can select the method again to create a prompt completion legacy. I use also the Turbo Instruct, but you can choose any model you have, as also I think you be able to choose other ones. So, and you can see here the prompt. It's always important to mention that the prompt is the most important thing to have this done correct, right? So in the prompt you can write, as I write it over here, generate a blog post content, write a professional engaging blog post based on the title, where the title is the result from the first GPT connection which created the title of the theme or topic you have set in your Google Sheet, right? The post should be informative, have a positive tone, and appeal readers interested in crypto and time management, right? And we set it to 1700 tokens as a maximum. After that you will need to connect that to the WordPress part. Also make sure to connect WordPress. There is also a make platform plugin for the WordPress, and as you can see you will choose the result for the title from the first OpenAI GPT result. You can choose it from that, and the content will be then the result from the second one who creates that, right? So you will choose the type as posts. This can be stay blank. Status needs to be published because you want that blog automatically published. And then when you connected your WordPress to the make platform, you will have your own categories, in which way, in this case we have our free blogs and the VIP blogs, and this part is going only to the free blogs. And as you can see here, there we have also some of few tags on our WordPress page, and we also setting them to use them, like AI, blockchain, crypto, lifetime, timekeeper, TKP, right? And the author you can use and choose from here. In this case I will choose my second username, and after that it's published, it needs to be connected to the Google Sheets again, but in this case, when it's connected, again we will use to find our ID for the crypto blog, okay, which needs to automatic set it back, right? Okay, select from all the search methods again. Sheet name is sheet number 1, and the row number, as you can see, it's pointing on the Google Sheets on the first part. And yeah, this is what you then choose. Let's do the plus. All right, so the row number is set it in the first part, as you can see. Okay, table contains headers, yes, and as you can see, the values, you just need to make sure under B to set created, right? Because then it will set here on the category B the word created, and after the next time comes to create the blog, it will not create the same again because it's already the status created. It will choose every time once it search for it the space with 0 status, right? And that's it, right? So we're gonna test it right now again. Also to mention, our word blog is also connected via the VP plugin for Telegram, which will automatically send the blog post. You can also set it here, but we can also show it some later video how to do it. But as you can see, we will just send a test. This is a test message, right? And wait a few seconds so it says success. All right, it's done. Okay, so now we're gonna check this. The first blog is the history and the evolution of Bitcoin, which needs to be created, and we will run it now once. Also here you can set the timer like we do to run the scenario every day in 6:30 p.m. But you also can do some own changes to it. Okay, we run it now once, and then you will, the Google Sheet sends the theme and topic. GPT have created a title. Now he sent the title to the other part of GPT to create a blog, which was created. It was sent to the WordPress and published, and now it's sent also to the Google Sheets with the status of created, right? And now we will check here one thing, just a second. Okay, so when we go back to our Google Sheets, you will see the first blog was created and the status have set it to created, right? So it's in function. Then we go to the blog on our website, and as you can see here, December 5th 2024, the rise and evolution of Bitcoin, a journey through fascinating history. So this was just created and also published on our blog page, and as you can see, it used the tags what I told you, what I have choose on that part. Also you are able then after you go to your WordPress dashboard to set in each of those blog posts to set a featured image or something like that. It's also a part we can do here in the automatization system to set also to create by DALL-E an image for a blog post, but this is the simplest way, and in the WordPress you are able to do it by your own. It's very simple. When we get back to the scenarios, we save changes, right? As we can see, it's on right now, and the daily is set on 6:30 p.m. So tonight at 6:30 p.m. we will see that too. And for that I will also go over here to our posts, all posts, and as you can see, it was created. Alright, 5th December, and I will get here back to edit it to show you just the thing about the blog post image. Also, what you can do just right here, copy the title of the blog post, go back to the ChatGPT model you're using and say create me a blog post image for this title, paste it inside here. Alright, then we will wait to create it. Get back here to the post. Alright, then we will see here to set a featured image for it. Alright, we have Bitcoin here, not looking bad. Alright, then we download it, and in this case I will download its all files and say btc blog dot png and save it in the downloads. Alright, then we go back here, set featured image, my library. I will upload the file, select the file, and in the downloads I select the downloaded image of it. Right, then you can see the image here, set featured image. Alright, it's set it now, save. Alright, it's saved now. We go back here to the blog, you see the image here right now. We just gonna refresh the website now, and as you can see the Bitcoin sign, the image was set in your blog post. So as I said, this was the first video for an education example what we are doing, and as you can see also the blog was just now posted on our Telegram group, which means it needs, sometimes depending on the network usage, it needs up to 1 minute, sometimes up to maximum of 5 minutes, but it's posting automatically, right? And again, to mention, this was our first video about education in the space of crypto, website development, AI tools, and we will come with even more. I hope you liked the video. If yes, I would appreciate if you set a like and subscribe to the channel so we can do a lot of more. Thank you again, and best regards, your X Emrat and TKP.